Okay today wey be say na Friday, my man call me tell me say make I come help am for shop. I know say many of una no know wetin I dey do. Forget wetin I dey do me I be electrician. I dey repair car. I dey repair car. Any type of car if you bring am come, me I go work am. Even though the car get accident, me I go still fix am normal, everywhere go sweet. I know say some people wey dey there una think say dis guy he dey do another thing, but see wetin I dey do make una no vex, na dis thing I dey do. I know say many of una go think say see the guy, na wetin I dey do baba me. Shame no dey catch me, shey you understand. So far say the thing dey drop food for my table. If I do am finish, money go drop, shey you understand. Na my man shop I dey like this. I go help am run one or two things. As una dey see me so, na me dey there. Na me dey run those things. I dey fix the car. I don almost finish. I don already do the job finish small. The thing remain small. I dey couple the car. Na just dey see me na. I dey try. Baba, come patronize me. I swear to God, your car go move. Everywhere go sweet. Wey be say you wey dey there, you know wetin I dey do, you no wan patronize me. Oluwa got me. Nothing spoil. Oluwa get me, nothing spoil. I don already finish the job. I just wan carry all my tools dey waka go now. I wan go back to my shop. So you dey see am now. Everywhere is too. Thank you.